Hello everyone. Point of sale invoice preview module helps to see a preview of invoice before downloading it. Now let's get into the point of sale to see how it actually works. So from here in the point of sale screen, let's add end products. So from here let's choose the customer, and then now let's click on the payment option. User needs to click on an invoice button which is available here, then it will show an invoice preview option. So let's get into that, where you can see and preview. Along with that you can see a download option. This is the preview for invoice, and also we can download it anytime we need. So in this way we can make use of this module to preview of invoice before downloading it. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and point of sale related features, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated point of sale features that we have enhanced. Thank you for watching.